Hey y'all, welcome to JDUB-Woodworks. So this is part 2 of a 3-part series about a trade show that I'm attending. It's the Texas Woodworkers Festival here in Austin, Texas. Part 1, you may have seen that video where I actually build the booth display. It would work for a trade show. Maybe you go and have crafts and you go to farmers markets or things like that. You may want to check that out. It's a really easy build. Today, I'm just going to capture me loading up, taking the haul downtown Austin, and setting up at the Palmer Event Center. And so I thought I'd capture that on time lapse, give you a little bit of a glimpse about what the next 2 days are going to be like for myself and my wife as we have all of our products there for JDUB-Woodworks. We are super excited that this is happening. We've had a long haul waiting for this to happen. We're a little bit nervous, but we're super excited too. My son will be there tomorrow, and tomorrow and Sunday I will capture all that. It will be very, very exciting. A lot of talented woodworkers. So y'all stick around, just kind of watch the load. We're gonna drive downtown. I'll capture that too. And let's have a lot of fun today. Today we're not gonna make a mess though, but we're gonna have fun. So stick around. Yeah.
Oh,
What were you doing?
standing there looking at you.
She doesn't like to be on the camera very much, and I'm not going to edit that. I'm not going to edit that out. We don't have to talk or anything, right? We're going.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. See you later, suckers.
Sucker.